Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing very trendy boho top. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. Firstly, I'll cut the bodies, and for that I have cut out two required lengths including seam allowance from the fabric, and I have folded it by half in width. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch. So half of it will be 6.75 inch. I'm adding 0.25 inch to it as I'm making band neckline. So I'll mark a point at 7 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. Mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch for my measurement. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point. From the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch shoulder to apex and 13.5 inch length of bodies. Extend these points. Now I'll mark round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. So 31 plus 2 is 33, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 27 inch. 27 plus 3 is 30, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.5 inch. Now I'll join these points. Adding 1 inch of seam allowance. Now I'll draw armhole curve. For back neckline, mark 1 inch downwards. Again mark neck width point. And I'm making round shape. So this is back neckline. I'll cut front neckline while stitching. And with this marking is complete, now I'll cut it. But before that, I'll separate the front because I'll be doing some work on it which I'll share later. So now I'll cut the back bodies. I've cut the bodies, now I'll cut the bottom. For bottom, I have cut out two lengths including seam allowance from the fabric, and I have folded the fabric by half in width. Length will be full length minus body's length. Like in my measurement, full length is 32 inch and body's length is 13.5 inch. So 32 minus 13.5 is 18.5 inch. Add around 1 inch of seam allowance, so 18.5 plus 1 is 19.5 inch. I've just taken round figure and I've cut out 20 inch in length. And for width, I have deducted 6 inch from the whole width of fabric. If you want more volume, you can take whole width of fabric. This is 17.5 inch on fold. So this is the bottom. Now I'll cut sleeves. To cut the sleeves, I folded the fabric twice in width. I'm making gathered or puff kind of a sleeve. Gathers on both top and bottom of sleeve. So I'll leave 1.5 inch from the center. Join these points. I don't want a lot of volume in sleeves, so I'm just taking 1.5 inch. You can make variations as per your requirement. Now I'll mark regular sleeve measurement, taking this line as a center or on fold. Sleeve length is 19 inch and cap height is 3.5 inch. For cap width, divide bust measurement by 4 and deduct 1 inch out of it. Like in my measurement, bust round is 32 inch. 32 divided by 4 is 8 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So I'll mark a point at 7 inch. Measure and divide this line into 3 parts. Mark ½ inch upwards from this point, and from here mark ½ inch downwards and 1/4 inch upwards. Now I'll draw armhole curves taking these points as guidelines. Firstly, I'm making back armhole curve and now front armhole curve. Now I'll mark sleeve round. Join these points. Adding seam allowance. Now I'll cut it. Now take top 2 layers and cut front armhole curve. So with this, cutting of my top is completed. I'll share its stitching in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.